Today, Margaret goes into Daniel's room without asking, and she spread the slime all around. What Daniel will do when he will see it? Let's see. Daniel, what do you have there?
It's a slime, Mom.
Slime?
Yes. It's like a sticky toy.
Ew, Daniel. I don't know how you can play with these things. Where did you find it?
Daddy bought it for me yesterday.
Well, but keep it in a good place, otherwise Margaret will make a mess.
Should be Prince Wednesday.
Remember, you have to keep the slime before you go to play with him.
I will open the door and then I will keep it. Hi, Prince Wednesday. Hi, Daniel. Look, I have a football ball. Do you want to play one match in the garden? Yes, let's go. Daniel. He's not here. Oh, I wanted to play with Daniel. What is this? So sticky. So funny. Goal! Okay, surrender. You won this time. Yes. What do you reckon if we play something more quiet? I'm a little bit tired. Yes, of course. I'm going to my room to look for some toys, okay? Yes. Margaret! What did you do? Look, Daniel. This is super fun. Touch it and you will see. This is mine. Why did you play with my things? You can't come into my room without asking. You just destroy everything. You are so bad. Super bad.
Why are you screaming? What's going on here?
It was Margaret. I'm super angry. She just destroyed my slime and everything is dirty in my room. You should punish her.
I'm angry, but not with her, with you.
With me, but it was Margaret.
What I told you about keep the slime because of Margaret.
Yes, but she can't come into my room without asking me before.
Daniel, your sister is smaller than you. She don't understand everything as you do. I told you already. The fault is yours because you didn't keep your toys. If you are mad with her and you don't explain her the situation, she will never understand. Go to talk to her now.
But
nothing.
Daniel, Margaret is really sad. She said that you scream at her a lot.
Daniel, what were we talking about? Take a breath and calm down.
Okay, Margaret, you have to understand that you cannot come into my room without asking. And why? Because it's my room, and you can break or destroy something without intentions, you understand? Yes. I'm sorry for screaming at you, but I was really mad when I saw what you did. I'm sorry, Daniel. I just wanted to play. I will help you to clean the slime right now. Exactly, Daniel. Everything has solution. I'm sure that when you will clean everything, you will see that it wasn't so bad. Well, too many kisses, Margaret. Stop, Margaret.
Finally, Margaret and Daniel arranged a situation between them because they love each other so much. Did you remember what Daniel and Prince Wednesday were playing in the garden? Football or basketball? Write it on the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give us like.
If you want to watch more of their adventures, you can click on one of these videos. Bye!